everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do the braided bun tutorial. First we're going to start off doing a triangle French braid all the way down to the end of the triangle. Now we're going to put all the hair in a ponytail, and we're going to use a donut bun, and we're going to split that ponytail in half and spread it all the way around the bun, and then you will put an elastic over it, but first smooth out all the pieces. We're going to split this section of hair into two pieces, and you're going to braid it, and then you are going to pull apart the braid to make the braid bigger. Now we're going to take those braids and wrap it around the bun and just bobby pin it in. You're just going to smooth out the sides, make sure there's no hair sticking out anywhere, and it's all finished. Here's the finished look. Hope you like it.